Hello moms, let's talk about what is our pattern of teaching in junior batch. So first of all, let's understand what is the age criteria. For students of 8 to 10 years, we have in our junior batch. In junior batch, we cover up all kind of anatomies like face anatomy, figure anatomy, bird, flower and animal and so on. We try to cover up different poster makings also so that students can perform very well in competitions. We cover up all different festivals, important days and whatnot. And yes, we cover up different coloring technique also like pencil shading, coffee painting, etc. And our each artwork that is based on alphabets, numbers and basic shape. I will love to show a few artworks of ours. And this kind of artworks we are covering up. See, this is drawing of Diwali. Here we learn step by step using some alphabets, numbers. And why we use alphabets, numbers and basic shape? Because students are very well familiar with basic numbers and shapes, and by learning when we use it, they find it absolutely comfortable and easy to absorb while creating their masterpiece. Cartoon characters, we cover up in our regular classes. We cover up this kind of poster making, World Tourism Day, and not only the basic concept, how to make it complete concept using some elements background, what is the importance of background color, that is called wash, everything we are guiding them with step-by-step guidance. Face study, figure anatomy, everything is part of our syllabus. So this is the way we cover up different kind of artworks, different color forms. See, this is Hindi Divas artwork. And our students are having competition but they don't have idea. This is Ganesh Chaturthi special artwork. This is painting with finger, so that they can understand that they can use fingers for painting, and this is pencil shading work in our junior batch. And here, like step by step, we teach and guide them how to develop a figure, so that if they want to make any other animal, they can draw that without any reference drawing. And we try to cover up this kind of special days, Independence Day, Republic Day. This is Raksha Bandhan, and our each artwork is having a beautiful, lovely story. And see this artwork, Friendship Day special, Sudama and Krishna. They are learning more about their culture. They are learning more about elements around, how they support their artwork. They learn more about colors, mood, which we use in background. They learn more about color variation. And these are the kind of artworks we cover up in our junior batch with step-by-step drawing and coloring guidance. And after 10 years, after deciding the eligibility, we promote them to senior batch, where they learn more upgraded techniques. I will love to teach few more artwork. This is the artwork of our helpers. Like this kind of diagrams they need for making chart papers and for their diagrams. Here you can see this is life before internet. This was one topic students got in competition. We cover up this kind of artworks also. Animal anatomy, a baby panther, and you can see the elements around. How elements around contribute to make the artwork looking concept oriented. My birthday. Here you can see the blending of colors with plastic crayon. We prefer using plastic crayons, brush pens, and yes, watercolors, coffee painting, pencil shading. This is also part of our syllabus. This is coffee painting. Yes, in pre-junior batch, we introduce coffee painting also. And with very simple tricks and techniques, students absorb and their interest level improve. When they start observing creativity all around, in nature, in kitchen, they find drawing very exciting and their interest level become more strong. You can see this is tissue paper impression, and we taught them how to add a depth. This is 1 point perspective drawing, and the complete impression is tissue paper impression. And this is face study. Yes, face study is also part of our syllabus. So right from basics, we are nurturing and guiding them, and that's why our students are reporting victories after victories even on international level. And here, after teaching, we provide the recording of the class with lifetime validity so that students can practice n number of times. We teach them step by step and guide with each and every detailing so that there would be no confusion. And yes, After that, I invite all the artworks on my personal WhatsApp number so that I can review each and every artwork personally. I can share my suggestions and feedbacks and appreciations as well. This is the way we establish a bonding, and this is the way we conduct our class.